stop what you're doing because this was so good. Okay, that was really corny. But seriously, this keto smoothie bowl turned out so good. Started with some frozen strawberries and this Too Good vanilla yogurt, which is only 2 grams of sugar and 3 grams net carbs. Just a half a teaspoon of monk fruit sweetener, a splash of heavy whipping cream, and a splash of vanilla almond milk. Until all that in the blender, give it a mix at a low speed. It should be very thick like this because it's a bowl, so you may have to move it around. If you need to add a little more liquid, do so just a little bit at a time so it doesn't get too thin for a smoothie bowl, and give it another mix. I added just a splash more of that almond milk. The texture turned out perfect for a smoothie bowl. Look at that. Adding a few fresh strawberries to the top. This honey is amazing, sugar-free, so you can totally have it on keto. Adding just a little drizzle. This was so good. Hit that follow for more keto-friendly and low-carb recipes. This was so good, seriously.